everyone, I'm Violetta in Russian for Foreigners. Let's go for shopping today. Let's go together. I wanna buy something, maybe you will also. So let's go to the board if you have this plan. Buy and sell, these two based words when you want to go for supermarket and for shopping. Buy, it means покупать, sell, продавать. Покупать, продавать. So, buy, покупать, sell, продавать. Продавать. When you want to sell something, you want to sell it with their big price. But if you want to buy, vice versa. So, big price, if it's so expensive for you, you can say, oh, дорого. Дорого. It means expensive. If it's cheap for you, you can say дешево. Дешево. Let's talk about conversation when you are going somewhere and try to wear it something. For example, you want to buy some clothes for you. So, first question when you will ask after hello, привет, or здравствуйте, it depends on the shop where you're going. So, if it's so relaxed place and for teenagers or someplace not in supermarket or outside, it can be, we can say bazaar. You can say привет. Can I wear it something? Do you have? Can you ask something, right? Do you have, and try to find something for you. So, first of all, you should ask, do you have this? У вас есть? And after these words, you should say what you need. So, if you need jacket, like I have now, I bought it maybe. This jacket I bought some days ago. Okay, joking, 5 years ago. I bought this jacket. Jacket, it means pidžak. Pidžak. So when I want to buy new one after 5 years, I need to ask, у вас есть пиджак? У вас есть пиджак? After that, you should say the color. Черный, black. Красный, if you like red, красный, red. White for the summer. Белый. Yellow, maybe someone can wear it. Yellow, it's a желтый, желтый. Or зеленый, green, зеленый пиджак. So after the color, you should know your size. So if you have a, like me, I have маленький, small, XS, S, like I have. So it's a Russian side, 32, 34. It depends on the model. Средний means between small and big. Средний. It's a 36, 41. And after that, if you're a big person and you need something, or you need something not so slim, you should ask about 42 and 50, maybe more than 50. It depends what you like to wear it and what is better for you. So you can ask, у вас есть пиджак, for example. Do you have jacket? У вас есть брюки? Do you have jeans? У вас есть платье? Do you have a dress? Maybe I need a ring. Do you have a кольцо? У вас есть кольцо? Also, you need to know the site. So, but in a shop, you can see how many stuff you can buy. But it's too far from you, and you wanna ask about something to be not so far from you, but you wanna ask to take it for you, to bring it for you, to see the quality, quantity. So you can ask, can you show me? Покажите, пожалуйста. Show me, please. Покажите, пожалуйста. Show me, please. Покажите, пожалуйста, this one. Это. Or this. То. Это. Or это. You can't say это. You can say это or то. Или то. So you can say покажите, пожалуйста, and after that, just maybe show your hand what you want to be closer to you. So покажите, пожалуйста. And after that, you want to wear it and try it and look at the mirror and ask someone how it's suit on you or not. So you can ask, I'm going to try them, right? Я хочу померить. I want to try. Я хочу means want. Померить. Померить means wear it, try. Я хочу померить. So, принесите, пожалуйста, пиджак. If I want to buy new jacket, I will add that. Принесите, пожалуйста, пиджак. Я хочу померить. I want to try. So, after that, if it's good for me, I can say, okay, I like it. Мне нравится. I like it. Мне нравится. If not, I can say I don't like it. Мне не нравится. We just put не. Мне нравится. It means like. I like. Мне не нравится. It means I don't like. So easy. So if I don't like, I shouldn't say I don't like because of the color. I don't like because it's so big, or I don't like this dress. I want to buy t-shirt or something. You shouldn't say that, but to be polite and to have a conversation more, this situation will be more easier for you. Maybe this person can show you something what you need. So be polite, don't forget to say пожалуйста, спасибо, so thank you, and that's it. So don't forget it. I don't think you are rude, but I hope when you will be so rude, someone will not be rude with you. But maybe you can see it from the person who you talk with. So, okay, I'm joking. All people are so good in Russia. Can I pay by card? You can ask also, because you need to pay maybe by card, not by cash. But if you have cash, in Russia it's better, because not all shops have this machine for the card. So better to have cash. But if you have card, you should go for supermarket and buy there what you need. So anyway, you should ask: могу оплатить картой? Могу ли я? Могу оплатить картой? Могу ли я оплатить картой? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? So if someone can say, oh, no, please, I don't have this machine, please pay just by cash, it's okay. This person will show you where you can change this money. She can say, go there, turn on, there, right, left, close to supermarket, you can. So don't worry, you will find solution. And after that, when you buy it, you can say thank you, or you can say спасибо, я вернусь. Thank you, I will back. But maybe you will never come back to Russia. Maybe it's a first and last trip here. I don't think so. Of course, here will be amazing trip and shopping for you. So I think this conversation will be useful for you. If you need something, ask me. But anyway, thank you and see you next time.